Hello children, welcome to Narayana live classes. How are you children? I hope everyone is doing well. Yes? Okay. Today we have third assignment and today's topic is simple equations for 7th class dated July 4th, 2020. In this assignment we have 2 theoretical questions and 2 objective type questions. See, we have 2 theoretical questions on the board right now. So, let us discuss those 2 questions first. So, here it is first question. Solve the following equation without transposing the terms and check your result. Here it is the equation. So, we need to solve the equation, that is we need to find the solution of this equation, that is nothing but we need to find the x value, isn't it? So, without transposing the terms. So, let us see how. See, without transposing means we can do we need to deduct the equation. We need to deduct the equation by removing one by one terms. Here on LHS you have 2 terms, isn't it? So, we need to remove this numerical term. So, to remove this one, what we need to do? Subtract 6 from both sides. That means 3x plus 6 minus 6 and 18 minus 6, isn't it? Now 3x, so this 6 minus 6 will become 0, is equals to 18 minus 6 nothing but 12. Now here see, here in LHS we have 3. So to remove this one, what we need to do? Divide, isn't it? We need to divide this one. Divide both sides with 3, isn't it? If you divide this 3x with 3, then we can remove this 3, isn't it? So now 3x by 3, 12 by 3. 3 get cancelled, 3 1s are 3 4s are 12. Now x is equals to 4. Now we need to check the result. Let us check it. Now 3x plus 6 is the LHS and 18 is the RHS. Now if you substitute x is equal to 4 here, now 3 into 4 plus 6 is equals to 18. Now 3 4s are 12 plus 6 is equals to 18. So 18 is equals to 18. Therefore, LHS is equals to RHS. So therefore, x is equals to 4 is the correct one. Now we will go for next question. Here solve the following equation. By transposing the terms. There without transposing, here by transposing the terms we need to solve this equation and check your result. Let us solve it. Now 5x minus 3 is equals to 2x minus 6, isn't it? Now take this 3 to RHS. Now why bring all x terms to one side and all numerical terms to other side. Now this first take this minus 3 to RHS, transpose this minus 3 to RHS. Now 5x is equals to 2x minus 6. If minus 3 is transposed to other side RHS, then it will become plus 3. Now 5x is equals to, now here what we did? Transpose minus 3. Now 5x is equals to 2x minus 6 plus 3. How much? Minus 3. Isn't it? Minus 6 plus 3 minus 3. Now transpose this 2x to LHS. Transpose this 2x to LHS. So then it will become, here plus 2x is there, here it will become minus 2x is equals to minus 3. What we did here? Transposing 2x. Now 5x minus 2x is equals to 3x is equals to minus 3, isn't it? Now x is equals to minus 3 by 3, 3 ones are 3. Now x is equals to minus 1. X is equals to minus 1. Let's check this one. Check the result. Now here we have equation 5x minus 3 is LHS and 2x minus 6 is the RHS. Isn't it? Now x is equal to minus 1, substitute here. Now 5 into minus 1 minus 3 is equals to 2 into minus 1 minus 6. Isn't it? Now 5 into minus 1 minus 5 minus 3 and 2 into minus 1 minus 2 minus 6. Now minus 5 minus 3 minus 8 is equals to minus 2 and minus 6 minus 8. Isn't it? Therefore LHS is equals to RHS. Therefore x is equals to minus 1 is the correct result. Is the correct result. Like this we can solve the equations. Now let us see third question and fourth questions. Third one, solution of 2x plus 4 is equals to 6. We need to find the x value here. Solution of this equation means what? We need to find the x value. Let us find it. Now here 2x plus 4 is equals to 6. Now transpose 4 to this side, it will become 6 minus 4. Now 2x is equals to 6 minus 4 is nothing but 2. Now transpose this 2 to RHS, then it will become, here multiplied, it will become divided. Now x is equals to 2 by 2. 2 to get cancelled. Now x is equals to 1. Isn't it? Now x is equals to 1. So our option is what? C. Now here LHS of the equation. He has given one equation, we need to find the LHS. LHS means what? Left hand side. So what is the left hand side? What is the expression is there? Left hand side before equal symbol, this one. So now LHS is what? 2 of x minus 3. 2 into x minus 3. Isn't it? Now what is our option? D. Our option is D. So okay children, that's all for today. We will meet in the next session. All the best. Thank you very much.